How to add Marshall's gift card to Apple Wallet. First, you want to open up the App Store and search for an application called Pass2You. Now you want to find the app with this icon, simply install it and then click on Open. From here, what we're going to do is click on the plus sign at the bottom right and then apply a pass template. Now we will use the search bar in the top right to search for Marshall. Alright, so from here you should see some different templates for Marshall cards. You want to find the one that looks like yours. So this one has been applied the most times, 500 times, so we will use this one. Click on the template itself. Now it's gonna take a little bit of time to load up the card here, but you can edit all of the information. So balance, if you click on the pencil icon, you can change the balance here. Card number, you can input your card number and PIN, and also you can add a QR code at the bottom. After you have filled out your information, click on Done in the top right. Then you want to click on Add. And now if I go into my Apple Wallet, as you can see, I have the Marshall's gift card added. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.